Hey, what's up guys, this is Jolan here, and today in this video let's unbox and review the Boat Stone Grenade Bluetooth speaker. Boat, as we know, is a renowned brand when it comes to accessories and have a huge number of products in different categories. The Boat Stone Grenade being one of them. So is it any better? Let's find out. Taking a look at the box, we can see that it comes in a black colored box with the image of the speaker and some specs mentioned on the top of the box. So opening up the box, we get the user manual and some documentation, a micro USB cable and an aux cable, and finally the speaker itself. I have this in the black color, but they are also available in a bunch of other colors as well. I will leave the Best Buy links in the description below, which will give you the most updated pricing in real time. Now, just to give you a physical overview, on the top we have the strap to hold the speaker and a boat tag. Then we have the rugged looking grill which wraps around the speaker. Then on the side we have the volume up and the volume down buttons, the play pause button and the power on off button. So on the underside we have the SD card slot, the aux port and the micro USB charging port, which are all protected with a water resistant flap. As for the build quality, aesthetically the Boat Stone Grenade oozes the ruggedness. It is made shockproof by insulating the speaker with a rugged matte coating, but it's easily portable. The buttons are clicky and feel quite responsive to the presses. So it has a IPX6 rating for water resistance, which means it can take heavy water sprays, and although you can take it swimming, I would recommend to keep it out of the pool. So overall, I was satisfied with the build quality. The speaker comes with a Bluetooth version 4.1 technology, which can quickly pair with your smartphone or TV, and I managed to walk away approximately 20 meters from the speaker without any obstacles until I could hear some hiccups in the music. You cannot connect the speaker to two devices at the same time, which is a drawback. The battery life looked decent and it comes with just 1200 mAh lithium polymer battery. I managed to get around 5 to 6 hours of music playback before the battery died, until I fully charged it back, which took me nearly 2 hours. If you don't want to connect a speaker through Bluetooth, then you can also play music using the aux cable, which is provided in the box. And if you don't want to use the phone at all, then you can use the SD card slot on the back of the speaker by inserting a micro SD card to play the music. Now coming to the controls, pressing the play and pause button once will play or pause the music. Single pressing on the plus or the minus button will increase or decrease the volume. Long pressing the plus button will skip to the next track, whereas long pressing on the minus button will go to the previous track. And finally, long pressing the play pause button will activate the voice assistant. As for the latency, I didn't notice any delay or lip syncing issues when I played videos or even when I played games, even though it doesn't have any low latency mode of any sort. So as for the latency, I didn't have any issues whatsoever. Now coming to the most important thing, that is the sound quality. And here are the samples for you guys to have a listen. Relative to its size, the Boat Stone Grenade has an impressive sound considering the price. It uses a 1.75-inch full-range 5-watt driver that provides explosive bass. It has enough sound to fill a normal-sized bedroom. The mids sound clear and alive, so vocals stand out and the instruments are well pronounced. But the sound clarity for high notes is not particularly great when compared to its other competitors, that is the JBL Go. You won't hear the sound quality drop off considerably even if you crank up the volume. Now finally, as for my verdict, as far as affordable speakers go, the Boat Grenade is a great buy for anyone who wants portable sound. If you're someone who likes to listen to music with an explosive bass, then look no further than the Boat Grenade. It's simple enough to start working for you from the moment you take it out of the box, and small enough to take essentially anywhere you go. The sound clarity at highs though is not the best in its range, but relative to its price point, it's hard to find any other portable speaker that can even begin to compete with the Boat Grenade. So guys, that's it for the video, and I really hope you liked it. If you all did, then kindly hit the thumbs up button and do smash the subscribe button if you all haven't, and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever a new video goes live. So until next time, you guys take care. Ciao.